Hello everybody, welcome to the cruise vlog. We literally just got to the hotel in Barcelona and we're getting ready to head out, so I thought I'd give you a little outfit up today before we do. I'm wearing my linen ASOS trousers, Adidas Sambas, the muslin shirt from ASOS, a collusion like tank top, and the bag is also from ASOS, but I kind of have it like across my body under my shirt just because I've heard that people rob around here. So I don't want to be robbed. So yeah, we're gonna head off. I think we're gonna have something to eat because I'm starving and so is everybody else. And yeah, it's only 12 o'clock, so we have the whole day, the whole evening, and yeah, let's go and see what we get up to. Do you know that?
Can't see.
Yeah.
Look where just go up there and them little steps down and take a picture. I'd be over there, if I lose me. That looks good too.
Really? Oh, man.
Me and my dinner.
Hello everybody. We are just walking the streets. We had some lunch and now we're basically just, as I said, walking around. And
Margaret wants to get in.
Margaret wants to be in the vlog. There she is. But yeah, we're kind of just scouting out Barcelona and having a good time.
Yeah, we'll see then how it comes back.
Margaret's
Wow, this is crazy. It actually looks fake or something.
Can't start seeing bringing them.
I bet this is really nice, like in the morning.
Yeah.
I bet they have like everything.
Really fresh. Can I get some maple syrup?
Sure.
Thank you.
We're in cookie heaven. Are you excited?
What's up?
Yeah, we've come back to get some cookies because we had these yesterday and they were so good. So yeah, come have these.
Giddy up, Sally. Which one are we getting? The black one? That one there? What?
I don't know. We're about to get on the cruise. There it is. We're here. There's the bathroom.
Hello, Captain. Yeah. Bottle of Grey Goose, please.
Oh.
Can you make sure it's cold? And some 7 for you, thanks.
There is our room. Wardrobe over there.
This is the doghouse on my feet.
Yeah, that's the doghouse. So many mirrors. And then there's Aaron enjoying the sofa. Another mirror.
Where's our bunk beds?
This is the bunk bed.
Does it go up?
Yeah. Oh, please don't do it. But it does, trust me. Look there, look underneath.
What?
And then this is our view. There we are.
Oh, I think on Friday.
Good morning, everybody. It is cruise day 2 and we are in Marseille, France since about 6 o'clock, and we're going to head outside in a few minutes and explore a little bit. We had our breakfast and yeah, it's kind of cold outside. I'm going to show you what the weather looks like from the balcony, but it's kind of cold, it's kind of windy, but that's okay. There's nothing we can do. Let's go out and let's see. I'm going to do an outfit of the day for you. You can't really see me, but I'm basically just wearing this mini dress and then my ASOS shirt. You really cannot see me, but this is it. And then my little bag and some bricks. Let's go and explore. Bring them back.
So, honey bread? Honey bread? Yeah. Be careful when you get out.
Yeah.
I am just ready for dinner and this is what I'm wearing. Don't mind the mess over there. But I'm basically wearing this like sunset dress. I don't know how to show it to you really, maybe in this mirror, but it's basically a maxi dress that has like lots of different colours, and yeah, that is what I'm wearing. So let's go for dinner.
€12.
Hiya! How are you doing?
I do fine.
What is it that you were saying? And you're sunning yourself up. Crispy. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Yeah. We're getting some morning deliveries. But yeah, we've arrived in Italy. I've never been to Italy, so it's pretty cool. And it is so super sunny that I literally cannot even see the camera. The hot dogs are coming. I'm in the middle of doing my hair, but we're gonna go and head in somewhere. I don't know where yet, but yeah, it's super warm, super nice. Can't wait to get a bit of tan because I'm pale as anything.
The actual. Right, now I think we should get a fidget spinner.
I hope we win a fidget spinner.
Go on, Marta.
Look how orange we are.
Hello everybody, we're on the way home. I forgot to vlog, but here we are, we're going home. And we're sick and I sound like I've been smoking all week. Fun times. I'll update you when I'm home.